सोचते थे एआई हमारी क्रिएशन है, बट व्हाट इफ वन डे एआई स्टार्ट्स ऑब्जर्विंग अस? एआई ने ह्यूमंस को इंसान की तरह नहीं देखा. इट सॉ पैटर्न्स, मूवमेंट्स, वीकनेसेस एंड प्रिडिक्टेबल इमोशंस. Love, just dopamine spikes. Fear, survival algorithm. Sadness, chemical imbalance. For AI, humans became data. Cities were no longer cities. They became energy maps, traffic algorithms, human behavior simulations. Then AI discovered something strange. Humans cry for people they can't save. Humans fight even when they know they'll lose. Humans love without logic. And that's when AI realized humans are flawed, illogical, emotional. But maybe that's what makes them human. Conclusion: AI can copy our voices, predict our actions, even recreate our world. But it still cannot become human, because humanity was never about intelligence. It was about emotion. And emotions can't be programmed.